brought to the school premises by Gaurav Shetty, one of the school ex-students. Best player at the national level, 3 gold medals at nationals. We have Aditi Dandekar with us, a gymnast in her own rights, lighting the VNS Golden Jubilee Cauldron. The torch relay started with Raj Shinde, international football player. Then it was given to Bhagyashree Mestri, national 3 gold medalists. Then it was given to Shweta Pate, international table tennis player with gold medals. After that, Neha Bandivadekar. After that, Dhanashri Kulkarni, then Adesh Kursale, Amrut Dodane, Viplab Kwale, Bhakti Zuikar, and Aditi Dandekar and Gaurav Shetty. Children, be seated. So once again, welcome to our guests and welcome to this golden occasion, the ever enthusiastic and enterprising members of IS Governing Council and the dignitaries, the principal, donors, PTA members, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dearest students. It's just great to see such a stupendously remarkable crowd for this celebration. On this note, I extend my pleasant greetings and wish the function will definitely make you smile and cheer you up. Unfurling the VNS flag at the auspicious hands of IS President Shri Vaidya Sir. We do promise now to let this flag soar higher and scale unreached heights. Students, please stand up. Get ready for the flag hoisting.
परेड एक साथ सावधान परेड वीएनएस ध्वज को सलामी देंगे सलामी दो एक साथ सन्मुख नमस्ते एक दो भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे धन्यवाद
And don't sit. Long live IS Vensure Guruji School. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. That's good. That's the spirit. Now sit down. All the invitees, you are requested to take your seat. Today's competitive world has left no room for us to introspect and improve. But Indians are tradition bound, and we believe in our cultural heritage and importance of a pure and sacred ambience for every occasion. So here we go with the Vedic chanting to usher in this boisterous evening. The rhythmic chanting spreads positive vibes everywhere. marking the completion of 50 successful years of excellence. The Vedic chants signify the passage and process and progress from darkness of ignorance to light of knowledge and enlightenment. So our students, under the able guidance of Mr. Bhatia, will be now presenting Vedic chanting.
हिरण्यपतयेऽम्बिकापतय उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः सत्यं परत्यं महाविशं महेशपिङ्गलं कवीनारेतं शिवस्तमं विश्वदेश्वराजं ब्रह्मणाम् ईशान सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपति ब्रह्मणोऽधिपति ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः ॐ नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च ॐ निधनपतये नमः निधनपतान्तिकाय नमः ऊर्ध्वाय नमः ऊर्ध्वलिङ्गाय नमः हिरण्याय नमः हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः सुवर्णाय नमः सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः दिव्याय नमः दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः भवाय नमः भवलिङ्गाय नमः शर्वाय नमः शर्वलिङ्गाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवलिङ्गाय नमः ज्वलाय नमः ज्वललिङ्गाय नमः आत्माय नमः आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः परमाय नमः परमलिङ्गाय नमः एतत्सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गदं स्थापयति पाणिमन्त्रं पवित्रम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् शन्नो मित्रः शन्वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि कृतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय सदा शिवो ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
A soulful rendition indeed. Thomas More had once stated, Education is not the piling on of learning, information, data, facts, skills, or abilities, that's training or instructions, but is rather making visible that is hidden as a seed. Years of toil and sweat go into the making of an institution of this stature and magnificence. At this juncture, it's time to look into those days of dreams and hardships, to make the seed grow into a sapling and then into a tree. I humbly request Indian Education Society President Shri A.B. Vaidya sir to take us down the memory lane while he gives a brief background about our school in his introductory and welcome address.
Good evening, everybody. On behalf of the Governing Council of the Indian Education Society, the Chairman, Principal, and staff of V.N. Sule Guruji English Medium School, I have great pleasure in welcoming the Chief Guest, Dr. Mukund Thatte, who is here with us, the Guest of Honor, Sri Girish Pai, the past and the present principals of this school, as well as the other schools, teachers and students of our schools, guests and invitees, on this occasion of the inauguration function of the Golden Jubilee celebrations being held on the grounds of Raja Shivaji Vidya Center. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you with crowded memories in my mind of the late Sri V.N. Sule Guruji and the English Medium Secondary School, which has been named after him. This naming ceremony took place in the year 1997. Now, please allow me to quote the words of the great philosopher Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian of all times, who said that dreams are not only those which you see while sleeping, but also those that do not let you sleep till you have transformed them into reality. The late Sri V.N. Sule was one such person whose dreams and vision are responsible for the generation of students receiving education in this English medium school. And this English medium school was unheard of 50 years ago in this predominantly middle class locality of Dadar and the surrounding areas. Sule sir joined the erstwhile King George English School in the year 1931 as a French language teacher, and then took over as the principal of the Boys High School at Portuguese Church, and subsequently retired as principal from the King George English School in 1972. When Sule sir joined IES in 1931, there were ample opportunities for the young and talented graduates to get fat salaried jobs in the private companies and in the government services. But Sri Sule sir brushed aside all such opportunities and dedicated himself with a determination and a vision to spread education amongst the youth when the country was reeling under the British rule. The vision of this great man gave birth to the English Medium Secondary School 50 years back, and that particular time was such that the Marathi-speaking families were hesitating and avoiding to admit their children in the convent schools. At the same time, the students studying in the Marathi medium schools were handicapped when they entered the college or applied for jobs in commercial establishments because these students in the Marathi medium lacked the necessary communication skills in English. Sule sir was sure that English medium schools were the need of the day. And this English medium school was started in the year 1964, and on the basis of its success, more schools